Breaking news for millions of UK pensioners. The government has officially confirmed a long-awaited pension boost, and it's coming this October with the first higher payments hitting bank accounts on the 10th. That's right, if you receive the state pension or any pension-related top-up, this could mean extra money in your pocket and sooner than most people expected. In today's video, we're breaking down everything. What this new pension boost actually means, who qualifies, and how much you'll get. What to do if your payment doesn't show up, and how to make sure you don't miss a single penny. Welcome to Pensioners Power, your trusted source for everything you need to know about pensions, retirement planning, and financial wellness. Here, we cover the latest news, expert insights, and essential updates to help you maximize your retirement years. Whether it's understanding pension schemes, making the most of your savings, or staying informed about financial changes, you're in the right place. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Now, let's jump right into today's topic. So, what exactly is this new pension boost? Simply put, it's an increase in state pension payments, an uplift designed to help pensioners cope with rising living costs, higher energy bills, and inflation. It's sometimes called a cost of living uplift, pension supplement, or payment adjustment. But here's what makes this different. This isn't just a one-off handout. In many cases, it's a permanent or long-term adjustment to pension rates. It means that from now on, many pensioners will see their regular payments increase every month starting October 10th. And it's not limited just to the state pension. Some means-tested benefits like pension credit, housing support, or winter fuel payment could also see parallel adjustments. This is the government's way of tackling the cost of living squeeze head-on, especially for older citizens who depend most on their pension income. You might be wondering why the 10th of October. Why not November or January? Well, the 10th lines up perfectly with the standard DWP pension payment cycle for most recipients. It's the point where a large number of pension payments are scheduled to land directly in bank accounts. By fixing a specific date, the government avoids confusion and ensures everyone receives the uplift as smoothly as possible. Behind the scenes, DWP systems and local pension authorities have been busy updating software, recalculating entitlements, and preparing for a nationwide rollout. It's also symbolically powerful. October 10th falls right in the middle of the month, a memorable date that anchors this policy change. So mark it on your calendar, because October 10th is officially the day the pension boost begins. Now the million-pound question, how much extra are we actually talking about? The boost is linked to a percentage increase, possibly tied to inflation, or a fixed uplift announced in government policy. Let's take an example. If your pension totals £10,000 per year and the increase is 3%, that's an extra £300 per year, or around £25 more per month. Now, this might vary depending on your circumstances. Some pensioners could see additional top-ups based on income or benefit type. Others might see smaller increases if they already receive high pension rates. And for those on related benefits like pension credit, the uplift could bring even more noticeable relief. Exact figures will appear in your DWP statement or letter, so keep an eye out for official communication in the coming weeks. Let's clear up eligibility. Who actually gets this boost? Anyone currently receiving the UK state pension is automatically eligible as long as your payments are active. Pensioners on means-tested benefits, such as pension credit or top-ups, will also likely see an increase. New pensioners, those whose first payments begin after October, may start directly at the new, higher rate. However, a few exceptions apply. If your pension payments are paused or suspended due to verification issues or changes of address, you'll need to get that resolved first. Pensioners living abroad might not automatically receive the boost depending on reciprocal agreements with the UK. And if you've deferred your pension, your increase will only kick in once payments begin. The bottom line? If you receive any state pension or related benefit, there's a very strong chance you'll see a boost, but always confirm through your DWP communications. Let's talk about how and when you'll see the money. If your payment date is on or after October 10th, your very next pension deposit will already include the new higher amount. If your payment is before October 10th, say the 5th, then you'll likely receive your normal pension on that date, followed by a smaller top-up payment after October 10 to cover the difference. Payments can take 1-2 business days to clear, depending on your bank. If your account is joint, overseas, or managed by a third party, processing might take a bit longer. Either way, the uplifted payment will arrive in October. It's just a matter of when, based on your usual pay date. Now, this is important. What should you do if you don't see the increase by mid-October? Check your DWP account or pension statement. Make sure the new rate has been issued. Verify your bank details. Ensure DWP has your correct account number and sort code. Confirm your payments are active. If you've had any verification holds or documentation delays, those must be cleared. Contact the DWP helpline immediately if you believe your payment is missing or incorrect. Don't wait. The sooner you raise it, the faster they can fix it. And remember, this is your entitlement. It's your right to receive this boost if you qualify. To make sure everything goes smoothly, take these essential steps now. Double-check your bank details with the DWP. Update your contact information, phone, address, and email. Make sure your benefits or pension payments are active and not suspended. Watch for DWP letters, texts, or emails in late September or early October. If you live abroad, verify whether your overseas pension qualifies for the uplift. A little preparation now ensures you receive your full payment without delays or confusion. The government has backed this policy as part of its 2025 budget and pension support strategy. Officials describe the boost as a cost of living support measure, not just a routine adjustment. The DWP and pension authorities have confirmed they are ready to roll out the new rates seamlessly. Official communications by post, text, and online will start arriving from late September, detailing your new payment rate and exact date. So, if you see a DWP letter or notification, soon open it immediately. It could contain your new pension rate confirmation. Let's look at how this works in practice. Scenario AA, Mrs. Jones, whose pension date is the 12th, will receive her first boosted payment directly on that day. Scenario BE, Mr. Edward, paid on the 5th, will get his usual amount on the 5th and then a small top-up payment after the 10th. Scenario C, Miss Green's payments are paused pending verification. She won't get the boost until she resolves that so action is needed. Scenario DE, Mr. Robert, living in Spain, will receive his uplift if his overseas arrangement qualifies subject to exchange rates and processing times. These examples show how timing and personal circumstances affect how the boost appears. This pension boost isn't just about money. It's about security, stability, and recognition. For many, it means relief from the stress of rising food bills, heating costs, and everyday essentials. It's a step towards easing financial pressure on older generations. For the government, it's also a signal that they're listening to pensioners and taking action to protect their income. And for pensioners themselves, it's a reminder to stay informed, stay proactive, and claim every penny they're entitled to. Thank you for watching Pensioners Power. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Stay informed, stay engaged, and we'll see you in the next video with more insights on the issues that affect the UK. Take care And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all the latest updates.